So for this code, the purpose of this code is to stimulate a decision-making process based on the person's age and their ability to swim. So it first sets a random age from 5 to 10, and then it asks you, do you know how to swim? If it says yes, then and if the age are older than 7, then it will say, now I am old enough to swim. I will go swimming in the ocean. And then if it did not match, if it's like smaller than 7, then it will say, I'm not old enough to swim in the ocean. And then any other things is that I don't if the input no, then it will be, I don't know how to swim. I will build a sandcastle. Let's see how this works. So it first asks me do you know how to swim? If I type in yes, yes, and then since the age says like right here it says 10, it will say now I'm old enough to swim. And then let's see another one. And then it says, do you know how to swim? If I said no, then I will say, I don't know how to swim. I will build a sandcastle. And then similar to this was the same thing. So so my code uses a nested if else statement to determine the outcome based on the age and user's input. It first checks whether the user can swim. If yes, then it goes to the other condition right here. And then it checks if the user is 7 or older. If it's not, then it will move right here. And then unless they say they don't know how to swim, then it will go right here. So if I was change the age to like different one, like says like 7 or like 8, then it will change the entire code differently, because you need a new condition to meet the 8, to meet like age 8, and it will also run differently. So if we set like this and then we change the number to 8, then it won't work, because you have to meet all the conditions. Just like as it says as a 7, and you have to meet all the conditions. If not, then it won't work. And that's it.